Symptoms of bad timing belts and chains. In your car's engine, the timing chain and timing belt serve crucial roles but are distinct components. The timing chain, made of sturdy metal links, synchronizes the engine's actions, while the timing belt, typically constructed from rubber, plays its role. Now, let's explore the symptoms of issues with timing belts and chains. 1. Engine misfiring. The timing belt's capacity to keep the cylinders in sync is its most important function. The cylinders may become out of sync if the timing belt develops issues. The engine starts to misfire as a result of this. 2. Disturbing noises from the engine. The crankshaft has pulleys that the timing belt is attached to. It won't be able to turn the pulleys adequately once it has begun to wear down. This causes the ticking noise to be heard. Ticking, though, can also result from an engine with little oil. In either case, that's a major problem, so make sure a mechanic looks it over. 3. Car leaking oil. A chain of nuts holds the timing belt in place. These, however, might become tighter with time. The timing belt cover may have an oil leak if this occurs. 4. Smoke coming from the exhaust. It could mean that you are pushing the engine to work harder than usual if you see more smoke than usual coming from your exhaust. It might, however, also be a symptom of more engine issues. It might indicate that fluid is leaking or that the engine is burning oil, for instance. Wait a minute. If you're finding value in this video, make sure you're subscribed to our channel for more helpful contents like this. Once you subscribed, let's get back to the video. 5. Notice a change in your RPMs. The dashboard shows the revolutions per minute, RPM. This value can be used to gauge how hard the engine is working. It will be used by manual drivers to select the right shift of gear. The timing belt may have a problem, such as missing teeth, which would affect the RPM in an unpredictable way. 6. Engine is unable to start. When you are unable to start the engine, it is one of the most clear symptoms that something is wrong. If this is taking place, the timing belt may be totally damaged. 7. Check engine light. Depending on the vehicle you drive, a timing belt issue could turn on the check engine light. Although this light is one of the less alarming warning signs, it should never be ignored. It implies that there is a problem, so you ought to call a mechanic right away. These are the clear signs of a problematic timing belt or chain in your car. If you notice these symptoms, take quick action to prevent further engine damage. Please support us by liking and subscribing. Leave your questions and suggestions in the comments. Thanks for watching. Drive safely.